YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to convert your Base 44 app into the native mobile app. So guys, if you want to convert your Base 44 web app into the native mobile app, so guys, it is very easy. For this guys, first of all, you simply open your Base 44 application and choose the application which you want to convert into the native app. After that guys, you simply click the option of publish, and here if the app visibility is public, and click the option of publish app. When your app is published and live now, so you just copy this link and guys paste here and check it. So if the application is working well, so guys you simply go to the website of web app to app converter. Okay, so guys here you see that this is your application, so you just click it, and now it asks for you the URL. Now you put your URL and click the option of build your app. Okay, now you guys, your base is start ready and start converting, and you simply click the option of start building. When the start building is start, so guys here this app is look like this that I am created just 4 minutes ago. Here is my iOS link and this is my for Android one. Okay, and guys here how its dashboard is look after when you just create the app. When your app is created, just click on the app, so it shows your overviews. Okay, and if you want to launch your app, so you just click on this emulator and your application is start beginning. Okay, so guys here you see that start installing the application and launching your app. Now guys here my app is start. Okay, and if you want to convert, check it into the Android, so guys here is for the Android phone. So guys again rebuild your application, now click it and the application is now starting in your Android. So this is a simple way that you can done, and now here your application is ready. Here you check, even you use the application in this emulator. Okay, when your application is ready and you find that your application is working properly in your simulator also, so guys after that here you see the option of download, so you just click and you can download the app. Okay, so guys thank you and have a nice day, and guys subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations. I hope this video is very helpful for you.